Hey everyone, this is Yeager, and in this video I just wanted to give you a really quick introduction into viral commando profits and how to keep yourself from going crazy. So I've been a member for a long time, so I don't have a welcome email, so I just found one. But what you want to do after you've created your account, you'll receive an email to confirm your subscription to Viral Commando Profits. And you'll also receive a welcome email after that from Viral Commando Profits once you've created your account. And this is a great training site to really get you going. But unfortunately, well, kind of fortunate and unfortunately, it's also an advertising site. So I just want to walk you through creating a filter or folder in your Gmail account um, so that your inbox does not get cluttered, because you will receive advertisements in which you can click and earn credits, or um, you can just delete if you get too full and you can't check them all. But first thing you want to do, we're going to pretend that this is the welcome email. Just go up here and filter messages like these. And it doesn't matter what's on the front. It might say members at Viral Commando Profits or admin at Viral Commando Profits, something like that. Just delete everything in front of the @ sign in the from field here, and then click create filter and skip the inbox, and you want to choose a label, call it viral, and click create. Never send it to spam, and I'll also apply it to matching conversations. And then just click create filter. And once that's done, if you scroll all the way down, I have a lot of different labels in here. A lot of them need to be deleted because a lot of junk out there online doesn't exist anymore because it didn't last. But and it should be listed in alphabetical order. There you see Viral Commando Profits. Now all of your email from Viral Commando Profits will come in here. So if you eventually, you see where I'm going here, 288 messages in here right now. But if you want to earn advertising credits, you can click the link and view an ad. But I just wanted to make this quick video so that you would be able to keep your email account organized. In another video, I'm going to show you how to create additional Gmail accounts for a lot of advertising based sites that you'll be using with Viral Commando Profits to build your business. And that's it for this video. And thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you more soon. Bye for now.